Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. What is going on? Okay. Next, welcome you all in today's class. Today we will continue with the next chapter 3, exercise 3.1. You have already seen the some solution of exercise 3.1. Question number 3, question number 4 already you have solved. We will do next question of the exercise 3.1. Okay, let's start. Let's see question number 5. Question number 5, you can see here. If triangle PQR has PQ equal to PR and angle R equal to 28 degree, then calculate the remaining angle. You can see here in triangle PQR, PQ equal to PR is given. Yes, sorry. You can see here in triangle PQR, PQ equal to PR is given. Two sides are equal. Angle R is given 28 degree. Angle R, this is given 28 degree. Then calculate the remaining angle. So then you can write, you know that in triangle PQR, what is given? PQ equal to PR. And then what will be? Their opposite angles are equal. Means opposite angle Q and angle R will be equal. You can write, and then angle Q equal to angle R. Why? Because opposite angles of equal side are also equal. So here therefore what is given? Angle R equal to 28 degree, and then angle Q also will be 28 degree. So angle R, angle Q are given. So now what is the remaining angle? Angle P also you have to find. So angle P, now you can write in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. And then what will be angle P? You have to find. Angle Q is given 28, angle R also 28, it will be 180, and then angle P equal to 180 minus 28 plus 28, 56. You will write in this side, it will be minus 56 degree, and then it will be 10 minus 6, 4, 7 minus 5, 2, 20, 124 degree. And this is answer. It is clear? Let's see question number 6. Question number 6, a triangle has two sides of equal length. If the angle opposite of them are 30 degree, then determine the third angles. The triangle has two equal sides given, and their opposite angles given 30 degree. Means two equal angles given 30 degree. Determine the third angle. So similarly, third angle will be 180 minus 30 plus 30 means 60. Then you can find. Question number 7. In an isosceles triangle, if the angle at the vertex is 70 degree. Let's see the question number 7. In an isosceles triangle, draw an isosceles triangle. Suppose this is isosceles triangle. If the angle at the vertex is 70 degree, this is vertex. Suppose this is 70 degree. You can give the name of isosceles triangle PQR. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Two sides are equal, PQ and PR are equal. Vertex angle 70 degree. Then determine the other two angles opposite to the equal angles. So two equal angles you have to find. So you can see here, two sides are equal, their opposite angles will be equal. In triangle PQR, PQ equal to PR given, and then what will be angle Q equal to angle R. Now you can write since angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Put the value of all angles, whatever is given. Angle P is given 70 degree. Suppose equal angles, you can take X. So you can write X plus X equal to 180. And then 70 plus 2X equal to 180. And then 2X equal to 180 minus 70. And then 2x equal to 110 degree, then x equal to 110 by 2. So what will be x equal to 85 degree. So therefore two equal angles are, you can write therefore angle Q equal to angle R equal to 85 degree. Answer. It is clear. Similarly, question number 8, you have to find You can see here question number 8. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle with angle C and with angle C equal to 90 degree and CA equal to CB. Determine the value of X. In question number 8, you can see the diagram. This is a diagram of question number 8. You can see here angle C is given 90 degree. This is a symbol of 90 degree. CA equal to CB. This side, two sides are equal. CA equal to CB. You have to find the value of X. So you can write here in triangle ABC, what is given? CA equal to CB, and then their opposite angle will be equal. Angle B equal to angle A. Angle B is given X degree. So therefore angle A also will be X. Now you can write by the properties of triangle, now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Put their value. Angle A is given X plus angle B also X. Angle C is given 90 degree equal to 180. Then it will be 2x equal to 180 minus 90. So then 2x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 upon 2. Therefore x equal to 45 degree. This is answer. Value of x is 45 degree. I hope everybody you have understood. Question number 7, 6, 7, 8, it is clear. The students, you have to complete question number 6, 7, 8 in your notebook. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye.